Hi everyone, I want to welcome you to your journey through economics. I'll be your instructor, Nick Bergen, and I'll be conducting this 8-week class, hopefully gaining a little bit more knowledge on economics than what you knew before. Now, some of the things I want to go over with you is what to expect, some of the policies, and how to do well in the course. So if you look at the left tabs right now, you notice you have the announcement tab. The announcement tab is very important. On Mondays, I'm always going to be posting a to-do list for what's required that week. Wednesday, I'll post a reminder about the discussion board, meaning your first post in the discussion board is due by Wednesday at 11:55. On Thursday, I'll be posting ancillary reviews, which will be some helpful websites that I found for the week's content. And the announcements also are going to give you important information on APA formatting with your papers, the late policy, which we'll go over, and the turnitin.com information. Now, if you have more things on the tabs, if you have to send me an email, click on the message tab. And you can send me an email and I will always respond very quickly to all your concerns. Now, your participation in the course will be done by the Forums tab. In the Forums tab, the timestamp that we use is based on the clock in the computer. So make sure to always start early to ensure that your work is posted on time. In the discussion board to do well, since we're at the Forums section, you need an initial post. I'm looking for like 3 to 4 paragraphs. You need to make sure to have an APA formatted in-text citation and reference. And APA formatting is key. So if you have your first post by Wednesday, you earn 20 points. If you have APA formatting and it's correctly done, you have another 20 points. Now, you need 2 peer responses, and your peer responses can be either to any of the questions I ask to any students in the course, or it can be to 2 peers. But the key is you make sure to have at least a paragraph per response. That's the key. In your initial post, really focus on your content and your analysis, because that's where people I find maybe struggle the most. A lot of times I see people really focus on maybe summarizing questions. So really look at that. Let's go through more tabs. The Syllabus Tab. Syllabus Tab is going to tell you a little bit about me, and it's going to give you a little background about the course and the, what you're going to be graded on in this course. In this course, you're going to have some papers, discussions, quizzes, and assessments, which is like a midterm final. With all of the assessments, you only get 1 attempt. Now, that means when you start the quiz, you have to complete it at that point. You only get 1 attempt. You cannot have multiple attempts at it, so make sure when you're ready to take that attempt that you're very focused on that 1 attempt, because a lot of times I see students take their attempts really quick thinking that they have 2 attempts. In the Lessons tab, you'll find that this is where you'll find information about each week. And this will be a very important tab. It'll contain all of the resources in the course to do well. The Assignments tab is going to contain your papers that are in the course. Now, with the assignments, there's something new. You don't have to submit your assignments to turn it in. It'll automatically, when you submit it in the course, the Assignment tab, it'll automatically upload it to turn it in for you. The Gradebook tab is going to tell you about actual grades. How are you doing in the course? So those are the various tabs. Let's go over some of the policies in the course. In the course, no late works accepted in the course, and that's looking at both discussions and assignments and quizzes. So make sure to always plan ahead and assume that you're going to have technological issues to do well. APA formatting, always required for your papers and your posts. If you really focus on APA formatting, you'll do fine. That'll be a lot of easy points that you can earn. Each week goes from Monday to Sunday. The first post in the discussion board is due by Wednesday at 11:55, timestamped by in the course. Now, those should be things that you're going to be looking at this week. And let me tell you a little bit about me. I went to St. Louis University, and I got my undergraduate there. Then I went to Florida State University, where I got my master's degree in economics. Really enjoy economics because I think it's very applicable to a lot of things that we're going to do. And you'll find that it's very easy to relate into a lot of decisions that we have to make. And I think you'll enjoy the course because I really am very active. I try to find different things to evaluate in the course, and I really think you'll just figure out what to look at to really apply things in your daily life. If you ever need any help with pre-grading or anything, just let me know. I'm always here to assist.